These are your two target. These are your two target. First, seek to create a business system that generates $70,000 a month in a passive monthly income. Of this income, 40% goes to taxes, 40% goes to the fund your money system, and the 20% pay your lifestyle. This deliver your target lifestyle and simultaneously fund your money system. The other target is your passive income for the lump sum money system. To enjoy your designated lifestyle supported by the money system, your target number is 5.59 million. 5% interest on this amount is roughly 23,000 a month, which cover the lifestyle and taxes. This dual flanked attack build a passive income stream from the business that fund a money system. The result is like a wrapping the destination to you. You can experience retirement without being retired. For example, my web business routinely earned 100K per month, month after month. Yet in those instances, I didn't have a 20 million lying around, but the lifestyle was an option because my business system cash flowed the equivalent of the lump sum. Axis income funded my money system. Then later I liquidate the asset to arrive at my money system number. If your business system generate passive income, you can use it to fund your lifestyle and your money system simultaneously. Step 4. Make it real. Get started today by looking 3 feet in front of you, not 3 miles. A long gaze at the mountain crest will overwhelm you, so step looking at it. The key to achieving enormous tasks is to break down them into the smallest part. You can't run 26-mile marathon by focusing on the 26th mile. You attack the first, then second, then third, then fourth, and so on. I see this repeated at the Fastlane forum, the fastlaneforum.com. I would like to make up $5,000 a month. How do I do this? Aside from the flawed money chasing logic, the first step is that money makes $50 a month. You can't make a 5,000 per month until you learn how to make a $50 per month. It's amazing how people love to skip process and want a event. To start your money system, find a quarter and drop it into the coffee can. Congratulations, you are 25 steps closer to your goal. No, I am not kidding. Your goal is not a 5.6 million dollar, but the 560 million pennies. Drop your loose change into your can at the end of each day. Find 60 cents there is a 25 cent there, 115 cent there. It add up and albeit small. You move closer to your goal daily. Ridiculous? No. This is how I started and as I still practice this today because this exercise has three conditioning purpose. First, when you drop change you into your bracket daily, you train yourself to visualize your goal moving closer. You get a daily reminder. Certainly, you won't accumulate 560 million pennies in the fashion, but this objective is repetitive progress toward the seemingly distant goal. Second, if forces you to evaluate have you appeal pressure to that goal, or is your change bucket the only weapon in your arsenal? Are you pursuing a fast lane business or still confined to a job? The third purpose is to change your relationship with money. If you are serious about money system, you are going to need a big shift in your belief about money. What is money to you? A medium to get a latest Call of Duty release, or the soldiers for your army of freedom fighter? The final step is to fund your money system at a brokerage firm designated an account that represents your money system. Typically, most brokerage accounts require minimum $1,000 deposit. If you already have account, pick an income fund that yield at least 5% yearly and move the fund there. Or alternatively, you can open a trading account and leverage chapter and regularly trade exchange trade fund. Instead of traditional mutual fund, here are the brokerage house I recommend to fund your actual account. Fidelity.com. Second, Vanguard.com. T-Roy Price.com. Merited. TDA Merited.com. I don't know. I don't know what. If you don't have a $1,000 to fund the account, you can do it. You can do it once you hit the 10,000 milestone. You change bucket should yield about 500 per year. With an actual account, you can witness a real-time passivity of your money system. If you have $50,000 in your passive money system, not leveraged in a fast lane pure pursuit, you can literally see your passive income stream every month in the form of either interest or the dividend. For example, if you invested in the old bond for the fund for your money system and it yielded 6.5% from 50,000, you would generate a $270 per month in a passive income each and every month. Now I retreat. Now I retreat. Fastlane wealth is created by the net income and asset value, not by the stock market or the compound interest. Your fastlane business should fund this account, not saving from your paycheck. The rules of road finance literacy. The rules of the road finance financial literacy. After my sister turned 21, she bought her first new car, a Nissan Pulsar. It was her first mistake in the world of finance and my first exposure to the financial illiteracy. My sister had trouble making car payment, and when I asked to read her loan document, I was floored. I investigated and asked, "How did you buy this car? How did you negotiate?" She replied, "I told dealer I wanted a payment of $399 a month." Her tragic mistake was not negotiating weakness, but a financial illiteracy. The dealer gave her exactly what she requested, and by doing so, she got ripped off. She bought a car for thousands above sticker and broadened a near illegal rates. The dealer gave my sister exactly what she wanted, a car payment of $399 per month, and all they did was fill her in the blank. Her loan was 60 months when it should have been a 48, and at an interest rate of 18.8 when it should have been a 9%. Ultimately, she would pay the twice of her car cost of her car because an error. The error being financially illiterate. The error being financially illiterate. Managing the money system demand a financial literacy. You can't build a financial empire if you ignore a basic finance and economics. This discipline are building block to financial empire, and without them, the sidewalk become a danger. Remember, more money does not solve a money problem. If not educating yourself after graduation is one step on the. You can't build a financial empire if you are ignorant of basic finance and economics. These disciplines are building blocks to financial empire, and without them, the sidewalk become a danger. Remember, more money does not solve the money problem. Remember, more money does not solve the money problem if not educating yourself. If not, educating yourself after a graduation is one step to the sidewalk. The other is not educating yourself on the basic finance and economics. The old is full finance illiterates. They are failed drivers education and don't know the rule of road. As kid, we aren't taught money management or the basic financial discipline. We abandoned in financial jungle, swarming with a predator. Many perfectly intelligent people lack rudimentary knowledge of basic financial concepts such as interest rate, taxable and non-taxable yield, amortization of mortgages, the balancing of checkbook, basic percentage calculation, calculating the return on investment, why stock rise and fall, why guarantee 15% return on the bank CD is screaming scam, how stock option such as calls and puts, why insurance exists, how a mutual fund works, what bonds are and how they rise and fall, global currency. To successfully leverage the money system for passivity, you have to familiarize yourself with the financial instrument that fuel the money system. Do you know how to calculate simple interest, return on investment? Do you know what happens to the price of bond when interest rate go up? Can you figure out the difference between tax-free yield and the taxable yield? Financial illiterate can manage money system. To succeed on your road trip, you have to know the rules of road and pass with oil. Driver education, basic finance and economics.